Hey guys, so in today's video, we are going to be going through the entire overview of React.js. So how and why it was made, how is it so popular, all of those things are going to be covered in this video. So let's get started. To talk about React.js, the first and the foremost thing is that this was created by Facebook and now has gained more popularity in the web community. This is the popular library of JS for building your user interfaces. React allows us to build user interfaces using a component based approach. So this ends up reducing our time, and due to these components, we are able to reuse them again and again, making the code more efficient as well. Key benefits is that it allows us to easily manage and update the states of our UI. In the case of React, we are using virtual DOM to efficiently update the user interface without having to reload the entire page again and again, making the UI more responsive. So because of this, the user experience also is enhanced, and this helps us to improve the overall user experience as well. React is a highly extensible library of JS with a large ecosystem of third-party packages and tools that can be used to enhance its functionalities. Given that React.js has been gaining a lot of popularity and has been accepted by the web community so willingly, there are a lot of documentations as well as an active community which helps us whenever we get stuck. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, don't forget to write them down in the comment section. That is it for this video. Bye.